beyond the beautiful symmetry of matter and energy discovered by Einstein. We can use the laws of nature to grasp the very origins of the universe and discover if the existence of a God is the only way to explain it. As I was growing up in England after the Second World War, it was a time of austerity. We were taught that you never get something for nothing. But now, after a lifetime of work, I think that in fact you can get a whole universe for free.
The great mystery at the heart of the Big Bang is to explain how an entire, fantastically enormous universe of space and energy can materialize out of nothing. The secret lies in one of the strangest facts about our cosmos. The laws of physics demand the existence of something called negative energy. To get your head around this weird but crucial concept, let me draw a simple analogy. Imagine a man wants to build a hill on a flat piece of land. The hill will represent the universe. To make this hill, he digs a hole in the ground and uses that soil to build his hill. But of course, he's not just making a hill, he's also making a hole. In effect, a negative version of the hill. The stuff that was in the hole has now become the hill. So it all perfectly balances out. This is the principle behind what happened right at the beginning of the universe. When the Big Bang produced a vast amount of positive energy, it simultaneously produced the same amount of negative energy. In this way, the positive and the negative add up to zero. Always. It's another law of nature. So where is all this negative energy today? It's in the third ingredient in our cosmic cookbook. It's in space. This may sound odd, but according to the laws of nature concerning gravity and motion, laws that are among the oldest in science, space itself is a vast store of negative energy, enough to ensure that everything adds up to zero. I'll admit that unless mathematics is your thing, this is hard to grasp, but it's true. The endless web of billions upon billions of galaxies, each pulling on one another by the force of gravity, acts like a giant storage device. The universe is like an enormous battery, storing negative energy. The positive side of things, the mass and the energy we see today, is like the hill. The corresponding hole or negative side of things is spread throughout space.
So what does that mean on our quest to find out if there is a God? It means that if the universe adds up to nothing, then you don't need a God to create it.